jaguar. I want to see the jaguar join the fight. Take good pictures of that, dude.
Is that a stick in your way? You do a video.
I am.
I was going to do a video.
I'm already doing a video.
Nice. I'm crazy. How's this going to turn out? He pulls at the end of them. Try to get him away from there. He must have a nest there. Yeah, you're really not helping. Yellow bird.
That bluebird's smart.
He knows how to do it. So not helpful.
Ooh.
Mom, please.
Oh, we got him stretched out. Look, 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 look. Look at him, man. He's poking him. Now the snake just wants to get away from him. Think he's hurting him?
Probably.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Mom, it's like you're one of those people that talks all the time during the movie. Is he bad? What's he doing there?
Just talking. I'm not even a video for.
Ooh. I think the bird got bit.
He said sorry.
This thing's outnumbered, bro. Dumb, bro.
No, he's trying to just get away. Why can't he go real fast? Go, he's going, he's going.
Oh.
I
Oh.
think that's it. Go,
It's just a
snake,
little
go
green
away.
snake, though. It's not like he's got a hole.
I think he's dead.
Where's it? Oh, its head is down. Going down. Panther. That's a
Look at the panther in the back.
Yes.
Yeah, he's not gonna like it if he gets down there.
Well, he's got no other choice, I guess.
There you are.
He's getting poked on.